This is Tina with Tia's Treasures, and today we have for you day 9 of the Crafty Advent Calendar. Day 9, woot! And let's see what we have right here. Pop that out. Come on, you. Sequins. I was saying something about sequins down here on day 6. I'm like, if we get sequins, please don't let it be gold. We have gold sequins coming out the yin yang. And these are, they've got that sequin shape where they're cupped up, but they don't have the hole in the middle. So they're a little bit more like a confetti. And they are a very pretty pink. So there's only one thing we can do when we have sequins that look like this. We're going to make some kind of shaker. I'm thinking keep it small. Let's do a small shaker tag of some sort. I have no idea what sort of shaker tag I'm going to be able to do, but I think I'll figure something out, so let's go do it. Okay, this one's going to look a little bit more complicated than most of the things I have done previously, but all this is a snow globe from Queen & Company that we're going to make into a tag. It's an old kit. You can use any snow globe, though. I've got snow globes from like 3 or 4 different companies. This one's just called Winter Wonderland. It's still available. And I also have little pieces of a tag here from My Favorite Things Dynamics. I thought about using this smaller tag, but I decided I was going to go ahead and use the Queen & Company one, just because why not? But I still needed something to use as the tag bit. Now I'm going to cut this down. We're going to end up just having this little piece right there. And this is going to go there. And I've got a back. These are the dies I cut it out with. And we've got an acetate piece. And I've got this is going to be the back. I've got a little stamp that we're going to stamp out. Visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. And we've got a little ballerina. Isn't that cute? So cute. And I have, thought I had cleaned up my glass mat, but I missed a spot here where it's still kind of sticky. We're just going to move all this out of the way for now. Get that out of our way. Okay, let's get this put together. This hopefully, I'm like turning this around like it makes a difference, which it does not. So, you ever start doing something, you're like, what do I do first? I don't know. We've got our sequins there. That's the star of the show. I'm going to save this piece of foam and this piece too. Even though we don't need them now, you never know. You can use them for something else. And let's see. I'm going to take the adhesive off of this. I'm going to try to get this lined up. You know what? I think we're going to put some glue on. A little wiggle room. If I can get it out, come on. My glue just doesn't want to cooperate. Someday I'll have glue that is not too thick or too thin, but is just right. And I have used all these glues before without a problem, but it seems as soon as I started doing like YouTube videos, my glue started either being too thick or too thin and not cooperating with me very well. We're going to glue our back piece. Amazing to me that I cut this back piece up. You know what I didn't do? Wait, there's still time to put the acetate on. I'm like, ooh. Yeah, confusing myself. Let's get our little ballerina. Now I cut her out with some Desert Storm, a piece of brown cardstock, some pink, get her down right in the middle there, and we're gonna bring in the Misty. Because I don't trust my stamping. I'm going to stamp this little piece down here. And we'll put it right. Make sure we got the right side facing out. Put that right there in the corner. With this. And what color do you think we should use? We could do a bright pink, or a black, or a white. I think we're going to go ahead and do a pink, a reddish pink. We're going to use some sweets. Gonna have a lot of pink going on in this card. I know that's out of frame a little bit. Oh, that looks good. I'll hit it one more time though. And barely push that down, because we don't want to squish our letters together. Open that up. And look at that. It's smeared. Ugh. Gosh darn it. Okay, we have got this. This has to go next after our sequins. We still got plenty of these left. Let's hope we get this on even. Look at that. We're gonna pop that out. And we are going to use liquid glue for this, even though I normally don't like the way that is on acetate. I just feel it's going to be easier than trying to shape like red line or any of your other tapes. Put that on top there. Maybe I should have put our little stamping down first. I don't think it's going to make much difference though. Put that down. Oh no, I smeared it. Well, I'm going to come back and fix that a little later. For now, I'm going to go ahead and put it down. I'm just going to glue another one on top of it later, which will be fine. But for now, let's see. We won't. Honestly, yeah. Now this longer piece is going to go on the back. I could have kept that, but I did not. Let's get this glued down. And we're going to get you down. See if I can get these through here properly. Do, 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 do. And let's get this tied in a knot. So here we are for day 9. We've got a little snow globe tag. Visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. So cute. These are so pretty. Okay. So, anyhow, that is it for now. Bye-bye, everyone.